Is everybody ready?
Ready.
Ready to see if the Easter Bunny came?
Yeah.
Here we go, looking for some eggs.
Yeah, they said that all the time. Whoa,
Easter Bunny hit them.
Mommy!
Go find the eggs.
We found them on the porch. Look, the one there. You were there. We got a
All over the place.
It's a wolfie. All of
It's a blue
them.
egg.
All there.
Put it in your basket. No, you put it in your basket. You'll get things.
I just want to egg on my basket. I got a lot of eggs on my basket.
How many you got?
2.
2?
And 2 like she got 3 eggs. Yeah, 3 eggs.
Why are those out?
What?
Do you think the Easter Bunny might have hit anything there? No.
Here, look at your car.
Well, I don't think the Easter Bunny went over there. Stay over here.
Okay. I got to like on my
Go look in the garden.
They're going away.
Yeah.
Oh! They're running. I got more eggs.
Greta, why don't you check out your car?
Alright, why don't you check out your bike?
Why do I got all your back? No.
You need to look because the Easter Bunny hides things in places you can't see them. Look at your bike again.
Look at your back again. Oh, the helmet. Put his helmet in the basket. Put his basket.
Let me go to the backyard, Greta.
Put his basket. No,
More in the front?
There's more, but Ari can take care of it. Alright, come on, let's go back to the garden.
Greta, you want to look in the backyard by the swing set?
Yeah, because I get nothing. I get nothing. Whoa! Look! I found an egg!
Look over in the garden, look.
Look how he does it. Hey! I want to take one.
Here, let Greta get some, okay?
I'll get this egg. Okay?
Greta, you want to go to the backyard?
Let's go to the backyard.
Let's Greta go to the backyard.
Just Greta, you help find the last ones up here. Greta needs a head start because she's a baby. You stay here.
Whoa!
Come on, Greta, let's go to the backyard.
Greta, go in the backyard.
Alright, stay here.
I can't find the egg.
Keep looking in hiding places. Look in the flowers.
Which flower?
Look in the plants.
These plants?
Look over here.
They're so small. Whoa! One blue egg there.
Look close to the house.
There, the yellow egg.
And there's more in the plants, I think.
This one.
Yeah. Hey, and
There.
yeah. Is there anywhere else?
I guess there's these in my shoe.
I think, okay. I think we go to the backyard now.
Backyard. In person. Look.